Because it is a short class period, am I actually recording? I think I am. I don't know. Might be recording. Hope I am. I am. Cool. Hi, I'm starting right away because we have a short period, and I am guessing that kids would prefer to have the time to get their work done here rather than later. So I'm not going to waste time today. So there is a company. And this company has a bunch of employees, and I decided that I did the data, don't need a calculator, I did it for you, and found out the following thing. The minimum pay at this company was $12 an hour, and I decided to put this on a box and whisker plot. The maximum pay at this company factory is $30 an hour. Let's see. Right in the middle, that's the median. Let's see, if I would put everybody in order and look at the middle, would I see somebody making $21? Yep. And remember, this is Q1. That would be the middle of the lower half. So if everybody was lined up, and then the lower half, the middle of that would be 17. Q1, which makes sense for a change in math, 1/4 of money is worth 25 cents. It's the 25th percentile. All right. There is an amazingly awesome boss. And they need you all to come into work tomorrow to make more factory things. And they say they are going to give everybody $8 an hour raise tomorrow. Everybody is going to get $8 tomorrow. Would the box and whisker look like this? The lowest would now be at 20, am I correct? This would now be, the first quartile would be at 25. The median would be at 29. It would be here at 33, and you people in the corner can't see that, but the maximum would be at 38. Now, please disregard my bad artwork skills, but is this the exact same box and whisker simply picked up and put over further? Yeah, it's the same one, right? Just picked this up, moved it over later. And this is a mathematics word you've used before. It is a translation. So this graph translated over 8 bigger. All right, did the minimum grow by 8? Did the maximum grow by 8? The median grow by 8? Yes. Did the mode grow by 8? Even though we don't see the mode. Did the mode grow by 8?
Probably.
Even better than probably.
Yeah.
If the mode, which I didn't tell you, was 18, would the new mode now be 26? All right. The two things about data on how far the data are spread apart are the IQR, which we have done, and we know how to do that calculation. On this first one, it is 25 minus 17. The IQR is, say it, is 8, right? Does this box and whisker look spread out anymore? You know, forget about my bad artwork. Hey, what is the IQR here? 33 minus 25 is 8. The other way the data is spread out is the standard deviation, which our calculator has done for us, The cool Greek letter sigma, small sigma. All right, I'm just going to tell you in basic terms. When the standard deviation is smaller, the data is closer together. All right? Pretend like I'm not here. Some of you do a great job of that all the time. Pretend like I'm not here. Your ages of you people, would it be a rather small standard deviation? Are your ages pretty close together? It would be a small standard deviation. Now you go to the Mall of America and find 30 random people and do the statistics with them. Would the standard deviation of ages be further? because forget about me here. I mean, we're pretty much all 15, 16, 17, 18, maybe a 14 and a 19. That's it, right? Go to the Mall of America, you got some babies and you got some old people. The standard deviation would be bigger and further apart. That makes sense? Just shake your heads if that makes sense. Cool. So, the standard deviation, are things further apart on this graph, or are they the same amount apart? They're same amount apart, so the standard deviation would not change. Make sense? The number, here. In 10 years, we're all going to come back together for a reunion. Yay, a stats reunion. Would we still have the same standard deviation? Would your ages still be really close to each other? Very cool. All right. Now there's another boss. There's another boss. And this boss says, it's Martin Luther King weekend, and we have to make more factory thingies. We need to. I'm going to pay everybody double. Ooh, there'll be happy people. Some won't be happy working on a holiday. Now, I'm not going to be able to draw this box and whisker well, but people earning 12 are now going to be earning 24. People at 17 are going to be doubled out to 34. Ignore my bad artwork. Is this line quite a bit longer? In fact, if I was to have done it precisely, how much longer would it have been? It would have been twice as long, sure. So this has now gone to 24. This has gone to 34. The person in the middle is up to 42. Now, like I said, I'm going to run out of room. But can we imagine here now that the new box is going to be spread out much further? Spread out much further? Cool. So the top person is going to be now getting $60 an hour. All right. Has the minimum changed when you're getting doubled? Has the maximum changed? Sure. Has the IQR changed? This is now what? Even though I don't have, this is now double. This is now 50 minus 34. The IQR is now doubled, so it's 16. It used to be 8. It doubled to 16. The standard deviation. I'm simply going to ask you, would it have changed? The two things about how far we're spread apart of our data are IQR and standard deviation. So yes, that would spread apart. So when the box simply translates, picks up, goes a little bigger, cool. IQR stays the same. It's not spread out anymore. All right, over here. I'm gonna fall over. It's Pep Fest Day. We're out of here early. That's why I started right away, because it's Pep Fest Day. Go Royals. All right, cool. Today the transformation, there were a few kids that came back with questions, and if they didn't, they worked hard. I'm giving you all sorts of time to get this one done. On Monday, we will do more detailed weighted averages. That was the one where you drive your car 50 miles an hour and then you drive it 70 miles an hour, okay? Tuesday's a review. Let's see, this is second hour, so you'll test on Wednesday. On Wednesday, oh no, we had a review on Tuesday. Could you come during win time if you wanted even more review? You could, couldn't you? Okay, cool. Those of you who were here during the second block yesterday, win day will be quieter in the future. I will entitle some rules, so you will be able to study more than you could the other day, which didn't go so well. All right, cool. And then the test will be on that Wednesday. Just in case my boss comes in. Oh, I'm recording this. I'm Sorensen right here. Just in case. I put the I can statements. So here's what we have done in my absences, your absences. Here's the following. I can do only using the plus, minus, times, and divide key, find the mean, median, and mode. Just the old school way, all right? Add them up, divide by, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. That would be a small group of numbers. I wouldn't have you do that with 100 numbers. And also calculate those things. Using the calculator, you can do the statistics in the calculator. That's another I can statement. One's like the 10 teenager problems, all right? the two kinds of outlier problems from yesterday. Yesterday I simply or forgot to record the class. If you've been absent, I certainly will help you. I also found two random teachers that did videos on it that explain it well. And the weighted averages and the translations. So that's what's happening. I went fast. I recorded this. I'll stop recording it.